Danny Daniels, Schuylkill Haven, Pennsylvania. It's a 64 CJ5.
Nice. How long have you had this guy? Or girl?
Probably 3-4 years. I've been working on it. I got a little rust coming out.
What you been doing to it?
Well, it's a original frame, original body. Put a straight axle from an early Ford car in the front. Back axle with a 57 Pontiac.
Nice. I like the stitches on the back.
Yeah.
Those are very cool.
Nails, I cut the heads off the
Oh,
nails.
how cool.
Welded them on there. And the RC bottle tail lights.
Oh, wow, I didn't even notice that. I thought that was
Hit
just
the
a
brake
cord.
pedal.
Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Did you drive this here or did you trailer
Yeah, I
it?
had a trailer. I don't have it registered yet. So
Okay.
it's kind of the maiden voyage this weekend. I had it at the show yesterday and today. So it hasn't really been on the street yet, but
Right.
it seems to drive good.
I like the unique steering wheel as well.
Yeah,
That's
a
pretty
flywheel
awesome.
Flex plate from like a Japanese car, and then a Jeep transfer case chain wrapped around it.
And the rat trap
Yeah,
gas
it's a gas
pedal. Oh my goodness. How fun. Awesome. Well, thank you very much.